Locate the enemy, close and destroy.
Secure the objectives. Hardpoint identified. Hardpoint is ours.
EKIA.
They got a weird spawn.
Yeah. Ooh, that's a lot of bad guys.
Slowed him down.
It's a lot of pussies that's fucking sitting over to the side.
Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint lost.
By the way, it's 3-on-6, so this might not be as fun as you think it is.
Oh god.
Be advised. Hostile UAV incoming. Hardpoint identified.
Give me hit markers. There's no way I don't get fucking hit markers in this spot. God, it's so stupid. Then we spawn on the other fucking side of the fucking map.
Hardpoint lost.
Yeah, I think I fired first. Just saying.
Hostile UAV spotted.
Smoke check.
Golly. You want to back out?
That's up to you.
Hardpoint identified. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. UAV inbound. Hardpoint lost. Be advised.
People are
Hostile
connecting.
UAV incoming.
Drop.
Hardpoint locked down.
Fucking 3 hit markers? 3 hit markers?
Hardpoint lost.
Confirm and kill. Time to rule. Shit.
Alright, they got a full team down.
Shot out.
Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint protected.
Fucking I got 2 hit markers on that fucking bitch again.
Hardpoint is ours.
Nomad down.
Hardpoint contested.
EKIA.
UAV inbound.
Well, we got the long barrel.
Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint lost.
Quit.
Overwatch down.
Hardpoint locked down. UAV inbound. Hardpoint identified. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint contested.
I did that a little too early.
Wow!
Friendly UAV inbound. Hardpoint contested.
Nomad. KIA. Webworks neutralized. UAV in my AO.
Establish perimeter at 10,000 feet ATO. Be advised, hostile UAV incoming.
I like how everybody's using the shotgun now.
Yeah, it's fun.
Hardpoint identified. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested. UAV power level 5%. RTB. Friendly UAV inbound.
We've actually caught up.
Hardpoint lost.
Yeah.
Hostile UAV above.
God, there's just no way, bros. These fucking guys that fucking camp over here the whole time, they're getting on my nerves.
Be advised, hostile UAV incoming. Hardpoint identified. Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint contested.
These RPGs are kind of weak.
Hardpoint contested.
Ambush asset down. Lethal.
Hardpoint lost. Hostile UAV spotted.
Threat down.
Hardpoint is ours.
Oh my gosh, kill me instantly, why don't you?
Time to rouge.
Be advised, hostile UAV incoming.
Wetworks neutralized.
Hardpoint identified. Hostile UAV spotted. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint lost. Hostile UAV above.
Ah, you died, stupid.
Hardpoint locked down.
Reaper, KIA.
Hardpoint contested.
Ah! Right.
I hit him. God, I got 2 hit markers on him, and I was inside the room with him.
Down to this. Pick it up. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint identified. Hardpoint locked down.
Scrapped it. Spectre KIA.
Oh my gosh.
UAV on standby.
Scrapped it.
Hardpoint lost.
Western UAV.
Hardpoint is ours.
Establish perimeter at 10,000 feet ATO.
God, there's no way.
UAV MTL 50% check.
Hardpoint lost.
God, they're just fucking now. They're just all over us, man.
UAV power levels 5% RTB.
UAV inbound.
Next spawn point, I mean, hard point.
Hardpoint identified.
You gotta get it. You gotta get it.
Couldn't get it. Couldn't get it.
Hardpoint is ours.
They're coming. Inside.
Hardpoint contested.
I got that.
Damn. Damn.
Hostile Hellstorm overhead.
Did you have a nice one?
Fucking Fury Kill 4-piece, dude. It was stupid.
In the terms, be advised, hostile dart inbound.
Slowed him down.
Hardpoint contested.
UAV energy level at 50%.
Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint lost.
Thank you, man.
Hostile UAV spotted. Hardpoint locked down. Be advised. Hostile UAV incoming.
Go time. Hold that. Hold it, Addis.
Hostile UAV spotted. Hardpoint identified. Hardpoint locked down.
This is it, right here. Hold it.
I got a fucking hit marker, man. My fucking teammates aren't fucking there to help.
Hardpoint locked down.
That was sick.
He just shot me through the fucking wall.
Inbound.
Why does this game hate me so much?
Hardpoint contested.
My charge!
Friendly Hellstorm inbound. Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint locked down.
No.
Care package inbound.
Smoked them. No man. KIA.
Hardpoint identified.
Ready for test.
Hardpoint locked down.
TACOM, need UAV eyes on.
Hardpoint lost.
Capture your objective.
Damn it.
UAV energy levels at 50%.
Camping the corners in there, like every corner.
Damn. They were all in there, dude.
Dang, I almost had the last one.
HCXD inbound. Hardpoint locked down. Be advised. Hostile UAV incoming.
Crap, nice.
Rapid deployment inbound. Hardpoint lost. UAV inbound. Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint identified. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Hardpoint is ours. They were not
Nice.
for us.
I dropped 51
That was
fucking
work
kills.
Right there. Nice.
Serious ass, guys.
That's pretty fun.
That was some hard fought game right there. That was
That was
when
a-
we were losing. We
Yeah.
had 3 people.
Yeah.
I
Dude,
feel
I-
like I actually worked hard in that game.
I had some sick runs right there.
Yeah.
I was fucking going. I went off a few times, dude.
You get some frenzy kills.
Yeah.
When they had the hard point in that middle area where the water runs through in that little tunnel, I did the gravity spikes and I got like, I think I got like 5 players. It's
Jeez.
insane.
I hope you're recording, Daddy. I want to make
No.
I want to make a
Well,
gravity. I want to make a gravity spikes montage.